morning, children. So today I'm going to teach you our fourth lesson. So our fourth lesson is a poem. So Sunday, it is a poem. Okay, let us see. Our first session is warm-up session. Which day of the week do you like the most? How do you spend the day? Discuss in the class. So there are 7 days in a week. So out of those 7 days, which day you like the most? That you have to mention here. And how you spend the day, that you have to mention here. Okay, that is our warm-up session. Okay, so let us check out the poem. Sunday, Sunday, holiday and fun day. So when we get the holiday? On Sunday. So Sunday, Sunday, holiday and it is a fun day. Which is fun day? Which is the fun day? Sunday is the fun day. No mad rush to get to school, no timetable, no strict rules. Mother is home and so is father. So on Sunday, we didn't get rushed to go to the school. That means we didn't wake up early and we didn't eat our breakfast rushily. That means we didn't have to do all these things. We don't have to go to school and we don't have timetable and we don't have any strict rules. Means that has to be obeyed. Strict means the obeyed rules. That means that we must follow. Okay. So on the Sunday, father is also home and so mother is also home. All of us are home together. On Sunday, everyone is there in home only, right? So father is also have a holiday, mother is also have a holiday, and so you also have a holiday. You doesn't have school on Sunday, right? So all are there in home itself, right? So Sunday is very fun day. So let us check out the next stanza. Father is working like a busy bee, making hot pakoras and cup of tea. So every day father is going to the office and he is working like a busy bee. And now what he is doing? On Sunday he is making hot pakoras and a cup of tea. So mother is sitting and reading the paper. Kitty and I are playing next to her. Sunday, Sunday, holiday and fun day. So Sunday is a holiday. So every day father is going to work, right? So what he has doing now? Now he is making the hot pakoras and a hot cup of tea. And the mother is reading the paper. And Kitty and the girl is playing next to the mother. So in this way they are enjoying the Sunday. So that the poet called it as Sunday, Sunday, holiday and it is a funny day. So this is all about the poem. Let us see the exercises. So our first textbook exercise is understanding the text. So our first Roman A is answer these questions. So these questions with answers that I have give you in the CW part. Now let us have a quickly check on it. Okay, answer these questions. What is the first question? Which is the fun day? So which is the fun day? Sunday is the fun day. Name any two things that do not happen on the fun day. On the fun day, what are the things that didn't appear? First thing, we shouldn't go to the school. So there is no timetable and there is no strict rules and we enjoyed a lot in the Sunday. We play with our friends, right? So what is the third question? Who are at home? On the Sunday, who are at home? Mother, father and yourself. Everyone is stayed in the home. What is the fourth question? What is the father doing? So in the picture, what is the father doing? The father is making hot pakoras and the cup of tea and the cups of tea. So let us see the next question. Who is reading the newspaper? In the picture, who is reading the newspaper? The mother is reading the newspaper. So that is our understanding the text question and answers part. So our next section, Roman B, is all about think and answer. So they have asked us a question, we have to answer to that particular question. Is Sunday a fun day for all family members? What does your family do on Sunday? So this is very simple question. So what do you do on Sundays? When you regularly go to school from Monday to Saturday and you will get a holiday on Sunday, and your parents also working like Monday to Saturday, they also have an holiday on Sunday. Together all of you, what you will do on the Sunday, that you have to mention. Either you went for a movie, or you went for a dinner, or you went for a lunch, or you play with your friends, or what do? You spend time leisurely and happily, that you have to write here. Whatever you do on Sundays, that you have to mention on this space. Okay. So new words. What is the new word in this lesson? Strict. So what is the meaning of strict? That has to be obeyed. That means that has to be followed. We must follow the instructions. Strict means we must follow. Okay. So let us see our next section. So our next section is understanding words. Find those words in the grid below. Mark them as shown in the example. So first example is relax. They marked it as like that. So and they have given us the 4 words and asked us to keep a grid. That means we have to identify the words that are there in this table. I have done this for you. You have to do in this your own. Friend, play, picnic, pet. Like this you have to identify and you have to grid it. Okay, that is our understanding rules or understanding words section. Okay. So why are these things important on a holiday? Discuss in the class. So what is the first thing? Relax. We should need a relax. Why? Because we work from Sunday to Saturday. We went to school all the week. So we need a free time to get relaxed, and we need a friend to play, and of course we went for a picnic, and we need a pet to enjoy the day. So our next section is listening part. Listen to the passage and number the sentence in the correct answer. So we have to give these sentence a correct order by listening to that passage. Now I am going to read you the passage for you. So you have to see the passage carefully. Listen the passage carefully now. So listening text. Now listen to the passage. It is a holiday today. It is a holiday today. Ravi has gone to play. What is the second sentence? Ravi has gone to play. He will go for a party in the evening. His parents have bought a new dress for him. The family will have fun for the whole day. So what is the first sentence? It is a holiday today. What is the second sentence? Ravi has gone to play. What is the third sentence? He will go to the party in the evening. What is the fourth sentence? His parents have bought a new dress for him. So what is the fifth sentence? The family will have fun the whole day. So these are the sentences in an order. So remember the order. So have you remembered the lines, children? Now we have to order this. So his parents have bought a new dress for him. It is a holiday today. The family will have fun the whole day. Ravi has gone to play. He will go for a party in the evening. So what is the first sentence? It is a holiday today. That is the first sentence. Okay, what is the second sentence? Ravi has gone to play. So that is the Second sentence. What could be the third sentence? He will go for a party in the evening. So it is the third sentence. So what is the fourth sentence? His parents bought a new dress for him. So that is the fourth sentence. So what is the remaining sentence? Is the fifth one. So what is that? The family will have the fun whole day. Now check the order. 4, 1, 5, 2 and 3. So a passage is given to us in a proper order, and those sentences were arranged here in an improper order. So by reading that passage, we have to number it, which one comes first and which one comes later. In an order, we have to number those sentences. Okay. So this is our listening texture. Let us see our next section. So our next section is speaking. Recite the poem Sunday with actions. Wherever possible, listen to your teacher and repeat. So Sunday Funday poem is there, right? So you have to repeat that poem with the actions. Okay. So that is our speaking section. You have to read out that poem. So let us see our next section, writing section. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using the words in the help box. There are some words are given to us in a box about this picture. We have to see that picture. By using these words, we have to fill the passage given below. The family has gone for a what? They went for what? Butterfly, fresh, apple, basket, picnic, pet, football or pod. The family is gone for a, I think it seems like a picnic. They went for a picnic. They have carried, what they have carried? See, fresh fruits. Fresh is also what? That is there. Fresh fruits with them in a what? Basket. In a basket they have carried. So what we have to use? The word basket. The man is eating an, what he is eating? He is eating an apple. He is eating an apple. And the boy is playing with a dog. That means a pet. He is playing with a pet. The girl is enjoying with her what? She is enjoying with her so see children, the boy is playing with the boy is playing with a football, not with a pet. Okay, the boy is playing with a football and the girl is playing with the pet. Okay, so she is a girl, right? She is playing with the bat and the boy is playing with the football. So there is a dash flying in the sky. What is flying in the sky? The bird. The bird is flying in the sky. And a dash is fluttering around the flowers. So see, what is this? It is a butterfly. So we used all the words from the help box and we made the paragraph completed. Let us see. The family has gone for a picnic. They have carried fresh fruits with them in a basket. The man is eating an apple and the boy is playing with a ball and the girl is enjoying with her pet dog. There is a bird flying in the sky and there is a butterfly fluttering around the flowers. So this is our writing session. So our next section is pronunciation. Read aloud the words given below. So read after me. D-I-Z dig, F-I-Z fig, S-I-T sit, P-I-T pit, B-O-Y boy, T-O-Y toy, H-O-L-E hole, P-O-L-E pole, S-A-I-L sail, T-A-I-L tail, M-A-L-E male, W-H-A-L-E whale. Okay, you have to read these words. So our next section is activity. How do you like to spend a Sunday? Draw or paste pictures of the activities that you like to do on a holiday in your scrapbook. So what is your activity? What you have to do in the Sundays? That you have to draw a picture like this. You have to draw. Okay, that is your activity. Now I am going to keep the fourth lesson CW in the assignments app. See, from first lesson to third lesson, the textbook part and the CW part that I have already keep in the assignment icon of our school app. Now I am going to keep you the fourth lesson textbook part and the CW part in the school app itself. So you have to check in the assignment app and you have to complete your CW and as well as your textbook part. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.